We're all going to make it episode 12. We're back in ChatGPT. I had another thought yesterday as I was recording that last one that I thought I'd share. One of the really amazing things that I have started to leverage with ChatGPT is the talk to text feature. Sometimes just trying to write something out is much more laborious than what you want, and you can actually speak through it maybe a little bit more eloquently than if you just sat down to write it. So there's a tool in here. You just click on this microphone button and it starts to dictate what you say. A couple of rules about how to use this effectively. So structure beats fluency, meaning you want to speak in short and concise clauses, not long rambling statements. Pause between ideas, and also tell the system, like, next, moving on, new thought, another point. Like, be clear about the structure of the request that you're going to put in. The other thing that's really helpful, whether you're writing or speaking a prompt, is to declare your intent up front. I want a concise bullet point list of best practices for Google My Business Profile, and then give it some context and some thoughts. Use like verbal punctuation deliberately. So you can say next paragraph, or colon, or all caps for emphasis, etc. We often do this. We apologize to the system. Apologizing to ChatGPT actually confuses the system a little bit. So don't apologize. Say correction. We're going to fix that last thought. Additionally, you want to separate your thinking from instruction. So instead of thinking out loud for context, you definitely want to say something more along the lines of now execute, produce the final answer. Give it clear direction when you want it to do something versus when you're just explaining and talking through a concept. And then additionally, we want to utilize numbers instead of vague quantifiers. So if you want a bullet point list of the best things to do with your Google Business Profile, don't just say that. Say, give me the top 5 things in bullet point format that I should be doing with my Google Business Profile, and keep them to 30 characters each, or something like that. Anyway, that process has really sped up and improved my interactions with ChatGPT. And additionally, back to yesterday's thought around using projects and chats, you want to remember that there's context in a long chat. So like, if you jump to a new idea that's unrelated to the chat you're having, it might pull some of the context in from up above. So if you've got a completely new thing you want to interact with, jump it into a new chat. Don't keep it in the same one. Don't ask it for a recipe on salad dressing when you were previously talking about your Google Business Profile. So bottom line, like, talk to text works really, really well if you structure your prompts appropriately, and you would be amazed at what you get out of it. Additionally, don't be afraid to use quick responses too. So you get like a long formatted response from ChatGPT, respond back and say, hey, please expand on bullet point number 5, and like just keep it going. So use the talk to text feature on ChatGPT. It's incredibly powerful, and good luck. We're all going to make it. And of course, you can book a 30-minute free marketing consult with me anytime you want. Use the link in this post. Thank you.